is resolved. This video has been prepared for educational purposes only. No part of it may be reproduced or copied without the permission of the copyright holder.
Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel of S. Chand Academy. I am Shreyans Kothari here for the video solution of Quantitative Aptitude, one of the best books in the country for Quantitative Aptitude. Any exam, any competition exam, be it a banking exam or SSC exam, SSC mein SS, CHSL or CGL or any level. Then we have defense exams, NDA, CDS. Then we have BBA or MBA or any exam. This is the book, man. Now we are here for video solution. हो सकता है इस वीडियो पे आप 2-3 तरीके से आए हो. ये बुक आपने परचेज किया हो, QR कोड को स्कैन किया हो और आज ये वीडियो देखने को मिल रहा है. YouTube पे आए थे, कुछ सर्च कर रहे थे लॉगरिथम के बारे में और ये वीडियो मिल गया. एनी डे दोस्तों, बहुत बेसिक से I'll start the concept over and then we'll move on to some questions, and that is what exactly you want. You want me to do all the concept of the topic and then do some questions so that you are never stuck anywhere. This is the video solution of S. Chand. That means if you have book, it is very good. If you don't have book, just go and purchase that book so that you get the maximum out of this video. This video is connected to a book and book is connected to video. Without that book also, you can get maximum out of this video also. See, the whole thing is about logarithm. बचपन में ये जरूर पढ़ा होगा, एक लॉग बुक आपने जरूर यूज ली होगी. कैसे लेनी है एग्जाम में, कंपटीशन एग्जाम में कैसे काम आएगी, एक एक चीज को बहुत अच्छे से कंप्लीटली हम आपको बताएंगे. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं दोस्तों बेसिक थ्योरी की तरफ. फर्स्ट वी लर्न बेसिक थ्योरी. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज लॉग, लॉग टेबल, लॉगरिथम का एक्सप्रेशन का मीनिंग क्या है, उसको समझने के बाद इसी कंप्लीट वीडियो में क्वेश्चंस के साथ, एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ आपका टॉपिक क्लियर करेंगे. राइट नाउ मूव ऑन टू व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज लॉगरिथम. लॉगरिथम कीजिए, लॉग कह दीजिए. इफ a is a positive real number other than 1, am is equal to x. So for the expression a raised to power m is x, that means it can be written as, so m can be written as what exactly? Log ax. Log ax. Now what exactly it is called? And we say that, what we say that value of log x to the base a, the base is a and it is m. Again I am saying, repeating the thing, log x to the base a is m. So a raised to power m is written as x if the value denotes x. What do you need to do? Log का base ये है, because here it is base, here it is base. M is the value, the power value, and log is applied here. So a raised to power m is equal to x. आप पहले तो log इधर लगा दें x की तरफ, इस base को इधर लिख लें और m की वैल्यू इधर डाल दें. So m is equal to log ax. ये हमेशा याद रखिएगा, m is equal to log x to the base a. If it is a raised to power x is m. बहुत एग्जाम्पल दे रखे हैं. 10 cube. So 10 cube is equal to 1000. What I said, आपको तो log 1000 लिखना चाहिए, log 1000. बेस को इधर रखना चाहिए, वैल्यू उधर चली जाएगी. So log 1000 to the base 10 is 3. Log 1000 to the base 10 is 3. इसको देखते हैं. It says 0.1 का स्क्वायर is equal to 0.01. हमें क्या करना है, इधर log लगाना है. पहले तो log 0.01, बेस यही रहेगा 0.1, इक्वल टू आ जाएगा 2. So log 0.01 to the base 0.1 is 2. सिंपल एक्सप्रेशन है, उसको समझना है. So this is basic how you denote anything in log that I have told you. There are some basic formulas and we will do all of them one by one. All of them one by one. See this one. Formula number 1. Or you say properties of logarithm. Formula number, properties of log. Log के properties क्या हैं? if they are in multiplication, x and y are in multiplication, what you can do is separate them with a plus. Log ax plus log ay, log x to the base a plus log y to the base y to the base a. So if this is in multiplication, just separate them with a plus. Log x अलग हो जाएगा, log y अलग हो जाएगा. Now we move on to formula number 2. Similar fashion में if there are in divide, मतलब अगर multiplication में थे तो plus कर दिया, divide में तो minus कर देंगे. Simple formula है. If it is in divide, log x minus log y, base a, base remains same. See, base remains same. Just divide में minus करना है, multiplication में plus करना है. Formula number 3 क्या कह रहा है देखिएगा. Log x to the base x is 1. See, x raised to power 1 is equal to x. मैंने इधर log x लिखा, base इधर आ गया, ये वैल्यू 1 रह गई. So, अगर log a है और base a है, आंसर 1 आएगा. log x है, base x है, इक्वल टू 1 आएगा. So, जनरल वे में log x लिखा आ जाए, cut it out because it is just 1. ऐड करना है तो 1 प्लस कर देना, मल्टीप्लाई में तो छोड़ देना क्योंकि 1 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1 ही होता है. मूव ऑन टू 4 नंबर. log 1 is always 0. Why? Anything power 0 is equal to 1. So what we do, log 1, इधर हमेशा log लिखना है, a base में चला जाएगा is 1. So any log 1 to the power base anything is always 0. Log 1 base a is anything, answer is 0. Move on to 5 number. See, when they were in multiplication, we did plus. Now they are in power. So if there is any power p, you can just put in front of log. So any power p, just put in front of log. Any power p, just put in front of power. याद रख लो, बहुत बेसिक बात है. If there is, say, log xp, it can be written p log x, simple. In the similar fashion, if there is log xa, see, there is a difference. You just change the base and do it reverse, reciprocal, what do you say? Log x to the base a, log x to the base a. Now you want to change the base into the value. So log a to the base x, just reciprocal it. 1 upon कर दीजिए, काम हो जाएगा. एक formula, do write on paper. See, I know these all are in the books, but write with your hand in the paper so that you will remember till long, right? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Question number 7 या यूं कह दीजिए property number 7. log a base x को अगर मुझे अलग अलग करना है, हमने क्या किया, log x upon log a कर दिया. सी, log x base a, इसका एक तरीका तो आपको बताया था, 1 upon log, यहां a आ जाएगा, यहां x आ जाएगा, इसको रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. अभी हमने क्या किया, एक डिफरेंट बेस बना लिया b, एनी बेस. इस वाले को ऊपर नीचे को नीचे log x अपॉन log a भी लिख सकते हैं. याद रखिएगा, काम आएगा. ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज दोस्तों आपने पढ़ रखी है, ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज एग्जाम में काम आने वाली है. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू 8th. इफ देयर इज a power log ax, if this base and this base is same, again I am saying if this base and this base is same, if they are same, just cut it out, remaining x is there. If a raised to power log a something is given, that means just put x. Now we move on to 9th, what it says. X raised to power log a y. Simply do one thing, x और y को interchange कर सकते हैं, y raised to power log a x. अगर आपके पास x और y अलग अलग हैं, it can be interchange, x and y interchange हो सकते हैं. Last formula, log aq qp, मतलब what you have is log a power q and then x पावर p, दिस इज बेस, दिस इज वैल्यू. q और p को सीधा आगे ले आ सकते हो, यानी p बाय q इज log x. दैट्स इट. जो इसकी पावर होगी दैट विल गो मल्टीप्लीकेशन, इसकी जो पावर होगी गोज इन डिवाइड. सो इन दोनों की पावर हमने ले ली. जब तक कोई बेस ना गिवन हो, इफ नथिंग इज मेंशन्ड एज बेस, वी हैव टू कंसिडर दैट एज 10. सो 10 इज द बेस, यूनिवर्सल बेस ऐसा समझ लीजिए, बिकॉज हम डेसिमल में 10 पे ही चल रहे हैं, राइट? सो कंसिडर दिस 10 एज बेस of any question if not provided. Some more theory part is left. Let's see what does it say. There are two words, characteristics and mantissa. Let's see what does it say. Logarithm of a number contains two part. एक log के two parts होते हैं, characteristics and mantissa. Characteristics. When the integral part of logarithm of a number is called its characteristics. यानी जो इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ द लॉग का जो नंबर है उसको कहते हैं कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. व्हेन द नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन 1 से बड़ा होता है, इन दिस केस द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज 1 लेस देन द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ द डेसिमल पॉइंट इन द गिवन नंबर. एंड व्हेन द नंबर इज लेस देन 1, अगर 1 से छोटा है, इन दिस केस द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज 1 मोर देन द नंबर ऑफ जीरोस बिटवीन द डेसिमल एंड द सिग्निफिकेंट. दिस एग्जाम्पल समझाते हैं आपको. -1 -2 की जगह हम 1 बार और 2 बार लिख सकते हैं, ये वो बता रहा है. अभी मैं समझा देता हूं कैसे. सी, द नंबर इज 348.25, सो इट इज मोर देन 1. देयर आर 3 डिजिट्स. इफ देयर आर 3 डिजिट्स द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज 2. इफ देयर इज 2 डिजिट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज 1. इफ देयर इज 1 डिजिट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज 0. सो एनी नंबर which has number of digits which is more than 1, if it is more than 1, greater than 1, then what do we do is characteristics is 1 less than the number of digits. And if number is less than 1 से छोटा है अगर, characteristic is 1 because number of zeros after decimal, number of zeros after decimal plus 1. So here it is 0, no 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, so characteristic is 1. If there is 1 0, just add 1 2 and characteristic is 2. 2 digits, characteristic is 3. It is like that. 3 1 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar. This is known as characteristics. And what is mantissa? The decimal part of the logarithm of a number is known as its mantissa. For mantissa, we look through log table. This decimal part is known as mantissa. जो डेसिमल पार्ट है उसी को मेंटिसा कहते हैं. चलिए कुछ क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. लेट्स डू सम क्वेश्चंस सो दैट कुछ एनर्जी मिलेगा, कुछ करने को समझ में आएगा. थियरी पार्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, कॉन्सेप्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बट मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इज प्रैक्टिकल, बिकॉज एग्जाम में वही आने वाला है. सी, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट AP एंड BQ इज इक्वल टू व्हाट. कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दैट. We have to find out log to the base 10, a raised to power p, b raised to power q. If you remember, if they were in multiply, we used to add them. So, it can be written as log to the base 10, a raised to power p, plus log to the base 10, b to the power q. Can we write that? Yes, why not? If there is something in power, it goes in multiplication. So p log 10a, q log 10b. Is that clear now? Now, what is the value of p as per the question? See, log 10a is equal to p and log 10b is equal to q. Log 10a is equal to p q into log q. So answer is p square plus q square. देखें इसमें आंसर है क्या ये? सॉरी, p square plus q square, answer is 1. Simple question. मुझे पूछा था log base 10 AP एंड BQ का आंसर क्या होगा। हमने सबसे पहले क्या किया, जो ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में थे उनको प्लस में कर दिया, प्लस में करने के बाद एक और प्रॉपर्टी लगाई, जो पावर है उसको आगे मल्टीप्लाई करवा दो। Then we have put the value of log A base 10, log B base 10. Answer is there, P square plus Q square. We move on to another question now. Question number 5 of the log table, right? The value of this, we have to find out value of this. अभी find out कर लेते हैं. We have to find base is 5, 25, 125 into 625. Let's put all the values in the base 5. So log base 5, 25 can be written as 5 square, 125 can be written as 5 cube, and this is 5 raised to power 4. Is that correct? Yes, I suppose yes. We have to find out log base to 5. See, log 5, 3, 5, 4. 3 and 4 is 7. And then 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5, 5. 5, 3 and 5, 4. 5, 3 and 5, 4 is 5, 7. 5, 7 divide by 5, 2. That is 5, 5. Now, as I told earlier, this 5 can go here. So it becomes 5 log 5, 5. And you know that log x base x is 1. So this is 1 and answer is 5. Let's see ये answer है क्या? Yes, it is. So, अभी मुझे लग रहा है धीरे धीरे लॉग का बेसिक आपको क्लियर हो रहा है. हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. मैंने जो प्रॉपर्टीज बताई थी स्टार्टिंग में, जो इस बुक से ही हमने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया था, आई कंप्लीटली रिकमेंड दैट, आई स्ट्रिक्टली रिकमेंड दैट उसको पूरा लिख दो कॉपी में, बिकॉज विदाउट द प्रॉपर्टीज यू कैन नॉट सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस. फॉर श्योर प्रॉपर्टीज को समझना पड़ेगा, याद रखना पड़ेगा. एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. लेट्स डू सम मोर क्वेश्चंस. ओके, it says log 2 is x, log 3 is y, log 7 is z. We have to find log 4 dot this. So इधर मैं लिखता हूं log 4 dot cube root of 63. This is what exactly I need to find, right? So can I write log 4 plus log cube root of 63? Can I write that? See, these are in multiplication, and if these are in multiplication, we can split them in plus. So log 4 तो इधर आ जाएगा. Now log 7, log 63. 63 can be written as 7 into 9. Power is, so if it is root 3, that is cube root can be written as 1 by 3. So here it is 1 by 3. Now, okay, here it was log 4. So log 4 remains log 4, doesn't matter much. Log 7, 1 by 3 plus log 9. 9 is what? 3 square, 1 by 3. Now log 4, 1 by 3 can come here. So 1 by 3 log 7. Again 1 by 3. Actually it is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 log 3. Now we put the value of log 4, 7 and 3. Log 4. Log 4 is not given, log 2 is given, right? So if log 2 is given, it is log 2 square. 2 square can be written as 2 log 2 plus 1 by 3 log 7 plus 2 by 3 log 3. Now let's find out what is the value of log 2. Log 2 is saying Log 2 is x, 3 is y, 7 is z. Log 2 is x, so 2x. 1 by 3 of 7, so 1 by 3 of z, and 2 by 3 of 3, that is 2 by 3 of y. So my final answer is 2x plus 1 by 3 z plus 2 by 3 y. Let's see, ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन है क्या? 2x 2 by 3 y plus 1 by 3 z. So क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का आंसर हो जाएगा बी. आगे बढ़ते हैं दोस्तों नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. लॉग में और कुछ क्वेश्चंस हमें करने हैं. So let's see what the question number 10 says. See, this says, okay, sorry. This says log 4x plus log 2x is equal to 6. So, what is x now, right? See, log 4x. Can I write log 4x as 2 square x plus log 2x is equal to 6? Can I write that so that 4 is 2 square? Now I know it for sure that if there is base square, that means anything power of base, it goes in front as in 1 upon something. So, for sure I can write the same as 1 by 2 log x plus log x is equal to 6, right? What I've done is converted this 4 in 2 square, and that 2 square, the square part, that is 2, has come in front, that is 1 by 2. Now what we do? This is log x base 2, this is log x base 2, this is half of that. So 1 and 1 and half, 1 and half is 3 by 2. So we can write 3 by 2 log x is equal to 6. Is that correct? Now see, this is 3 by 2 log x. This 3 by 2, when goes on the other side of equals to, it is upon. So we can do one thing. Log x is equal to 6 into 2 by 3. So we get 2. So final is log x is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Now I remember that log ax is equal to m, means a raised to power m is x. In the similar fashion, 2 raised to power 4 is equal to x. So 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So x की value है 16, right? Now if x की value 16, let's see कोई option है क्या ऐसा? Here we go. 16 is the answer. So in this way, a very simple manner, I have told you that how to do that. Let's move ahead. Go to question number 14. That is Hotel Management 2020 question. Let's see what does it say. It says 1 by log b base a into 1 by log c base b into 1 by log a base c, right? Now I know it very well that this log ba can be converted. See, this is reverse of log ba. So I convert like log a base b into log b base c into log c base a. Is it clear to you all? Okay. Now there is a shortcut that you can directly cancel out, but we will not. We will put one more step, very clear. This log a base b can be written as log a upon log b. This can be written as log b upon log c. And this can be written as log c upon log a. If you remember, we read everything of this in the properties of logarithm. So when there is log a base b, that can be converted into log a upon log b. So log b cancel out, Log A cancels out, log C cancels out. Final answer is 1. So, is there anything like 1 in the options? Yes, here we go. So, question number 14 is 1. Very simple. I could have done the very easy part, like if there is this in the calculation part, you can directly cancel out B to B and AC. Again, C to C and AA, and AA is 1, right? We move ahead now. Question number 20. It says log 2 base 10 is 0.3010. Value of log 10, 5. Let's see. It is asked log 10, 5. We have to find out the value of this. Log 5 base 10. This can be easily written as log 10 and then 10 by 2. 5 can be written as 10 by 2, right? Okay. Now this 10 by 2 can be written as log 10, 10 minus log 10, 2. Because anything which is in multiple will be added, anything which is in divide will be minus. So we know that log 10 is value 1. Because if there are A and A, the value is 1. Log 2 base 2 is 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. And log 2, we know the value 0.3010. So 0.3010. Is it like that, right? So 1 minus 0.3010. So it is 0, then 9, then 9, then 6. It's 0.6990. Here we go, 0.6990. There's the answer. So very simple question. See, if log 2 is given, log 5 we need to find out. First time when we see the question, we get panicked. But don't panic, just put on the formulas, put on the properties you know, and you will get to the answer. Log is that simple. Okay, we move forward. Question number 26. Let's see what does it say. It say what is logarithm of 0.1234 and then 1 to the base of 0.01, right? We have to find out this one only. Let's do this. See, log 10 raised to power minus 2 because of these two digits. 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5, right? If I say this is a base power, this is the value power, so minus 5 इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं minus 5 minus 2 log 10 10, and we know that very easily. Log 10 to the base 10 is 1 and minus minus is plus, so 5 by 2 is 2.5. Is there any option 5 by 2 or 2.5? Yes, there is 5 by 2. Remember, not minus 5 by 2, because it is minus 5 by minus 2, just 5 by 2, 2.5, right? So simple question now. Let's move on to another question. Hotel management 2009, previous year question. We have to find out the number of digits. See, this says the number of digits in 4 raised to power 50, number of digits. So we have to find number of digits in 4 raised to power 50. So what we do is take log of 4 raised to power 50. So log of 4 raised to power 50. So it comes like 50 log 4, right? 50 log 4. So we can write it again, 50 log 2 square. Now if it is 2 square, the 2 which is in power can come in front, multiplied by 50, it becomes 100. 50 into 2 log 2, right? And log 2, it is 0.30103. So it's 100 into 0.30103. So final answer is 30.103. So if it is its log value is 30.103, And if you remember the theory part, the number of digits is 1 more than the mantissa. So 30 point, not mantissa, sorry, 1 more than the characteristic, right? So 30 plus 1, the answer is 31. 1 more than the characteristic, and characteristics 30. If you remember, we had read that if the value is more than 1, what we do is, if you remember, the theory we learned in the starting part, the concept we learned, the only part was number of digits are 1 more than the characteristics if the value is more than 1. So this 30 point something is more than 1. If it is more than 1, 30 and 1 added, answer is 31. That simple question it is. Okay, let's move on to some more questions. Question number 41, MBA 2008. Let's see what does it say. We have to find out the value of log A, B, C, D, right? Now, A is equal to B square is equal to C cube equal to D4, right? So, if I say A is equal to B square, so can I say B is equal to A 1 by 2? 2 goes here 1 by 2. In the similar fashion, A is equal to C cube given. So I can say C is equal to A 1 by 3. In the similar way, if A is equal to D raised to power 4, so D is equal to A 1 by 4, right? Now if I say this log A, I write this A into B. B is what? A 1 by 2. So A 1 by 2. C is what? A 1 by 3. D is what? A into 1 by 4, right? So if I say log A, right? And there is a power of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Log A and A gets cancelled out. So answer remains 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. That is the answer. So simple is it. The only thing is you must know the characteristics, the features. How do we do the basic properties of logarithm? If you know the properties of logarithm, all the questions are so damn easy, right? In the same way we did this question. Let's move ahead. Next question, question number 44. It is just asking our value of this. Let's see what it is. It says log 2, log 2, log 3, log 3, 27 raised power 3, right? See, log 2, log 2, log 3, log 3. All these are bases, right? 27 can be written as 3 cube power 3, right? Now, if I say 3 and 3 cancels out, 3 into 3, 9 remains. Q, because that 3 and 3 will come here. So, the final value will be log 2, log 2, log 3. 3 and 3 cancels out, 9 remains. 3 into 3, 9. Now, this 9, see, again log 2, log 2, log 3 and 3 square. This 3 and 3 cancels out, 2 remains. So it says log 2 and this 2 remains log 2. This cancel out, remain 1. So I have to count log 2, 1 is equal to what? See, any log 1 base anything is 0 because 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So the final outcome of whole thing is 0. Let's see that. Is there any option like 0? Yes, it is 0, not 1, 0, because continuously you do it from the right end. Always remember, you have to solve this portion first, then this portion first, this portion, and you continuously go like that. So answer is 0. We move on to another question. Let's see what does it say. It is a multiplication of something. It says log 5, 5, log 4, 9, and it says log 3, 2. See, log 5, 5, no value at all. Do it 1. It can be 3 square. So, log here 2 square and here 3 square. And log 3, log 2, right? So, 2 comes ahead, 2 comes ahead. So, 2 by 2 is 1. Here remains log 2, 3, log 3, 2. If you remember, this 2 gets cancelled out with 2, this 3 gets cancelled out with 3. How come? I will just show you that. 2 by 2 is 1. It can be written as log 3 by log 2 into log 2 by log 3. If you remember, if there is anything like log 3 base 2, it can be written as log 3 upon log 2, like this. So, log 3 cancels out here, log 2 cancels out here. So, final remainder, final answer will be only 1. So, in the similar fashion, we are doing a lot of questions and questions and questions. In the same way you need to do, and only these type of questions are there in the exercise. One thing is certain, all the questions are given with their solutions. So, if you are stuck anywhere, you just follow the instructions, and this video solution is definitely going to help you a lot of things. So, just continuously go on and on. Just read out the theory first, concept building, and we move on to questions. Let's move on some more questions, right? Okay. Let's see what does it say. It is again a previous year question, MBA 2006. It says log A square upon BC. So, shall I write 2 log A by BC? 2 log B by AC? Log 2 log C by AB. Shall I write like that? Let's see what happens. So, we have to find value of whole this thing, right? Okay, so in this question, if you can see, here is plus. So, if you remember, all the pluses actually came from the multiplication. Actually, there was some multiplication and we split into pluses, right? So, finally what we do is, log remains common and A square by BC into B square by AC into C square by AB. So, if you can do one thing, B and B gets cancelled out, A and A gets cancelled out, and C and C gets cancelled out with C square. So, finally, here comes log 1 and the value of log 1 is 0. So, answer will not be 1, answer will be 0. Remember that. That is very, very important. Okay, so in this manner you need to do. Otherwise, any other way you could have gone wrong, or maybe have taken a longer time to solve this question. Very simple question if you do in this way. We move on to another question. I guess this is the last question for us. Question number 75 of the exercise. Let's see what does it say. It says that log x plus log y is equal to log x plus y. Right? Then which of the following is correct? That is, we have to find out. See, you can connect this log xy is equal to log x plus y, right? This only may happen only if log xy and log x plus y means x plus y and xy are same. So, we can write like this, xy is equal to x plus y. Now, is there anything like this in the question part? See, if I say x equal to y, then x, no, not possible. Then xy equal to 1, that is not possible. Now, we convert this y or x. Let's see what happens. Now, if I do one thing, I try like putting x on one side and the other on the other side, or the other way, right? Say example, if I say xy minus x is equal to y, say, then it is x y minus 1 is equal to y. What I did was y on the one side and minus x like this. So x is equal to y by y minus 1. In the similar fashion, if I do xy minus y is equal to x, then y x minus 1 is equal to x. So y is equal to x upon x minus 1. So either it is like x is equal to y upon y minus 1 or y is equal to x upon x minus 1. Let's see what exactly options are. It says y is equal to x minus y upon x. That is not the real value. It says y is equal to x upon x minus 1. Y is equal to x upon x minus 1. That is the correct value. We need not this. This is the only way we do. So in this fashion, what exactly is the conclusion of the chapter? The chapter says that if you remember all the properties in your mind, if you do more and more questions, any question of logarithm will be easy. Generally, banking exam and SSC exam don't come with the log questions, but other competition exams, say for example MBAs or CAT or other questions, or like NDA and CDS, these questions are full of log questions. So if you are going to do that, you are going to rock with the method I told you. This is what exactly this book is all about. If you are going to give any damn exam of competition with objective quantitative aptitude, this book is one of the best you can find in the country. So stick to the books, continue this book and do more and more questions. Whatever questions I have left in this chapter must be done today by you today itself. So keep watching, keep sharing the video, subscribe this channel. Thank you.